The E3 error code on a washing machine typically indicates a problem with the spinning function. This code signifies that the machine control is trying to activate the motor, but is not receiving any response. A visual inspection can help confirm if the motor is not in motion, eliminating other possibilities. Common causes of this error include uneven laundry distribution, where loading one side of the washing machine drum with more laundry than the other can cause an imbalance, leading to difficulties during the rotation process and triggering an E3 error. An uneven machine unit level can also cause issues, as a smooth rotation requires the machine to be on an even and stable surface. If the machine is on an uneven surface, it will vibrate and disturb the spin cycle, eventually leading to an error. A faulty motor can also cause disruption in the drum spin cycle, resulting in rough and uneven rotation. And overloading the drum with clothes can create an imbalance in weight distribution, causing the machine to shake or vibrate excessively during the spin cycle, leading to an error. To fix the E3 error code, redistributing the laundry inside the drum is a good starting point. Ensuring that clothes or other items are not bunched up on one side of the drum can help prevent the machine from becoming unbalanced during the wash cycle. Once the laundry is evenly distributed, closing the lid and restarting the washing machine can help determine if the problem is fixed. Ensuring the machine is on a level surface is also crucial, and using a spirit level to check the washing machine's levelness and adjusting its feet or the surface beneath it until its level can help. A thorough inspection of the motor is also necessary, as a faulty motor may need replacement, and checking for loose wiring or damaged wire connections can help diagnose the issue. Finally, loading the drum with a recommended amount of laundry can help avoid disrupting the machine's spin cycle, and filling the drum only up to the specified capacity mentioned in the user manual can ensure optimal performance of the washing machine.